Let's see the gold. Yesterday created a bullish candle. The price has rejected from the support 2981.69. We can see that the price yesterday finally tried to make a bullish breakout, and we can see the price has made it at above 2989.76. We can see that it has a small resistance, and the price successfully made a bullish breakout. If we go to the 4-hour time frame and 1-hour time frame, we will see much closely how this has looked, because we can see that price would stop inside smaller range area where the price could not find its way out. But we can see the price in the last several 4 hours, the price has created a bullish candles, and the price was moving higher and higher, and eventually the price formed a bullish breakout. We can see that here. Yes, before 4 hours the price has made that bullish breakout, and it is currently heading up. 1-hour time frame shows us how the price has behaved yesterday inside the range area. Yesterday, this bullish breakout that has been formed around 2990.73, this one with the target here, was shared with the traders inside the premium analysis, and the target was reached. Second one, this was a bearish breakout, was also shared, but it was a failed one because the price could not manage to go to the support level around 2981.69, and this one was failed yesterday because the price returned back above because of this bullish pressure. And we can see how the price stopped at the resistance level, could not make a bullish breakout for several hours, and 2 hours ago the price formed this bullish breakout. We can see that. Now, where the price is heading. Currently the price is at the all-time price level, all-time high price level, because it is the first time the price is reaching this area. Based on the Fibonacci expansion, which I have put on the chart, 3018.76 is the first resistance level where I'm expecting, but this should not be respected 100%, because we don't know how the price will behave around the next resistance levels, because this in the past, based on the technical analysis, we cannot make any conclusions. At least I cannot make any conclusions because I do not know where the price will stop. I'm using technical analysis based on the past and also when the support and resistance was expected, like in this example here. Now we will see where the price will bounce, where the price will stop, but 3018.76 is my resistance, where I'm expecting that the price will try to reach. And 3037.30 is also the next resistance level. We can see that on the higher time frame, which is for me a daily time frame. Will that be the same level? Well, we will see step by step. What can I expect? First of all, because of this bullish breakout that has been formed here at the resistance level, I'm expecting that the price will try to reach higher price levels. And there is no bearish sentiment currently on the market, and I cannot say that the price will reverse back down, because we can see on the daily time frame the prices continue to rise in value for several days, and it is targeting higher price levels. Currently, what I can see is also the price is returning back inside this uptrend channel, which means the price will try to reach higher price levels, and we can see that the confluence of resistance for the price is around here, 3037.30. So this is something that I'm expecting for the price, that the price will reach eventually. Will it be today or in several days? Well, I will go step by step. And that means on the 1-hour time frame, I'll watch closely how the price is behaving and also what are the resistance support levels. And we can see that the price is currently trying to reach, and it has reached 3014.97, and I'm expecting it will reach higher price levels. So on a 1-hour time frame, I'll watch closely, will the price bounce, retrace back down from this resistance, or it will continue to rise in value, targeting higher price levels. And this will be shared inside the premium analysis with the traders, together with other symbols, which you can see here on the chart, which I'm sharing daily, what happens and also when there is a breakout or bullish or bearish one. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and also if you have any idea where the price is heading, what will be the all-time high price level of resistance, where the price will bounce, retrace back down, feel free to share that. Let's see. That's all for today. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.